Today, therefore, I only wish to announce those changes that are necessary to complete the adjustments I have mentioned earlier, and also those which are needed for the smooth running of the government. Vice President and Minister for Finance, Honorable Mwai Kibaki. Minister for Defense, Honorable James Kishuru. Minister for Natural Resources, Honorable Mbiu Koinange. Minister for Agriculture, Honorable J. Nyaga.
I invited you here today to inform you of my intention to run for the national chairman of our dear party, KANU, in the forthcoming elections of national officials. I should also like to stress that these coming party elections should not be based on tribal grouping, regional or administrative boundaries. Our efforts to keep Kenya united would be meaningless if we were to base our decision on ethnic considerations. Individual candidates should be judged by their qualities and ability to perform their duties to the party.